Mayor Alice Guo na si Sheila Guo at kasamahan nitong incorporator ng Lucky South 99 na si Cassandra Lee Ong. Inilabas ng abogado ni Ong na si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio ang litratong ito na nakuha lang daw niya sa internet. Makikita rito si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at First Lady Liza Marcos. At katabi ng unang ginang ang naarestong si Cassandra Lee Ong at isa umanong Pogo owner sa Porac, Pampanga.
Cassandra Lee Ong confirms the authenticity of this picture. Sabi niya, ang nakikita nyo rito sa picture na to, talagang nandyan at the same time, at this place, and on that date, with President Marcos and First Lady Liza Marcos.
Dagdag pa ni Topacio,
This picture may hold the clue as to why Pogo operations, especially illegal Pogo, multiplied during the time of President Marcos because